Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I use the Dyson Airwrap to smooth out my hair. So this is kind of like my natural hair texture. So this is my hair air dried. It's not completely dry. I would say it's about 70 to 80% dry. I always use some sort of heat protectant. Right now I have this one from Day. I already kind of sprayed a little bit of this in my hair, but I'll go ahead and spray some more. This one is also a styling mist, so I really like it. The smell kind of reminds me of Skittles. So the first thing I'm gonna do is do my bangs, because my bangs always dry the quickest and I want these to be like super smooth. See, they're like completely smoothed out and I just like to get that done first. That way I don't have like these little baby hairs that are like super curly or like wavy. After doing my bangs, I will go in with this like smoothing brush attachment. I'm going to just run this through my hair just to get it kind of like smoothed out a little bit, and it's also going to help dry it a little bit if it's still kind of damp. This is my hair after I went in with the brush. Now it's like almost dry and it kind of like helped smooth it out a little bit. But now I'm going to go in with the curling attachments. And I have to separate my hair because if I don't, it just doesn't fully get them. And like the roots will stay damp if I don't. Now that my hair is separated, I'm going to go in with the curling attachments. So I actually like to hold mine upside down. I know most people just do it like this, but I find it easier if I turn it upside down. So I just want to make sure that the arrow is pointed outwards. I'm going to change the settings to the hottest one, and I'm going to do the fastest airflow as well. So this is the first curl, and as you can see, it's like really nice and curly and bouncy. And so I'm just gonna finish doing the bottom half of my hair. When I go in and hold it right here, I almost like to hold it at my roots for a little bit, so it is kind of like drying my roots, and then I'll go in and let it wrap the rest of my curls. This is the bottom half of my hair done. As you can see, it's like super like bouncy. And I just love the look of it. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest. And then for the top, I like to just divide it into halves. So I'll do like the left side and the right side. So I'm going to put this half up while I do the other half. I'm going to go in with a little bit more of this because it also holds the hairstyle. So that's going to be super helpful. That way these like curls last me a good 3 days. From here, I'm going to keep on sectioning it. So I have to do like a top and bottom. And I'm just going to put it up with whatever I have. So I'm using a little hair scrunchie now. going back in one last time with the round brush. I like to just comb through the curls. I don't know where my brush is right now, so I'm gonna use this brush. So this is what my hair looks like, and that is just how I personally use the Airwrap. I know everyone has their own way of doing it. I've been using it for 3 years, so I kind of have what I like to do, and I really love it. It's really changed the game for me. My hair is like wavy, frizzy, super frizzy, as you saw in the beginning of the video. So this has like really been a life changer for me, because now my hair can look smooth and voluminous and like curls, but I don't have to go in with a curling iron and a hair straightener. This will typically last me about 2 to 3 days until my next hair wash. I will go back in the mornings and do my bangs with this again, because I tend to like put my hair behind my ears. So I'll just smooth them out a little bit with this, give them a nice little swoop at the end. That is how I do my hair with the Airwrap. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.